In the world of SEO, links play a crucial role in helping websites rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. With the right link building strategies in place, businesses can drive more traffic to their website and improve their overall search engine visibility. Here are 5 proven link building strategies for boosting your SEO in 2023. One of the most effective ways to attract links is by creating valuable and informative content that people will want to share and link to. This can include blog posts, infographics, videos, webinars, podcasts, and other types of content that provide value to your audience. When creating content, it is important to focus on topics that are relevant to your target audience and that provide value. By producing high-quality content that people want to share and link to, you can naturally attract links and improve your SEO. Another way to build links is by guest blogging on other websites. By writing high-quality articles for other websites, you can gain exposure for your brand and drive traffic back to your own website. To make the most of this strategy, choose websites that are relevant to your industry and that have a high domain authority. When writing guest blog posts, make sure to focus on providing value to the website's audience and to include a link to your own website in your author bio or within the body of the article. Additionally, make sure to use high-quality images, videos, and other multimedia elements to make your content more engaging and shareable. Reaching out to influencers in your niche can also be a great way to build links. By connecting with influential people in your industry, you can increase your visibility and get your content in front of a wider audience. Influencers can also help you gain valuable links by sharing your content with their followers. When reaching out to influencers, it is important to focus on building a relationship and providing value rather than just asking for links. For example, you can collaborate with influencers on content creation, offer them exclusive access to your products or services, or invite them to be a guest blogger on your website or even podcast. Additionally, make sure to track your influencer marketing efforts and measure their impact on your link building efforts. Social media is a powerful tool for building links. By sharing your content on social media platforms and engaging with your followers, you can drive traffic back to your website and attract new links. Make sure to choose the right platforms for your target audience and to include links in your social media updates to make it easy for people to find your content. Social media can also help you build relationships with influencers and other important players in your industry, which can lead to more opportunities for building links. Bonus tip: make sure to use high-quality images, videos, and other multimedia elements to make your content more engaging and shareable. Social media can also help you build relationships with influencers and other important players in your industry, which can lead to more opportunities for building links. Broken link building is a strategy that involves finding broken links on other websites and offering to replace them with a link to your own content. This can help you build valuable links and improve your SEO. To implement this strategy, you can use tools like RFs or MOZ to find broken links on relevant websites, and then reach out to the website owners and offer to replace the broken links with a link to your own content. This can help you build valuable links while also improving the user experience on the other website.